Before this courtroom even gets rolling, you can already feel the tension building. A probation violation, missed court appearances, and a new charge, all stacking up against a defendant who insists she doesn't need help. But here's where things get interesting. She asked for treatment, then immediately walks it back. That contradiction alone is about to become a major turning point. The judge is listening closely, and in cases like this, every word matters. So the real question is, will her honesty help her or completely backfire? Stay with us, because what unfolds next is a powerful example of how quickly things can spiral in a courtroom.
I plead guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge.
Now, this is where things start to unravel. The defense introduces the idea of treatment, but when the judge presses her on it, her answer is hesitant, unclear, and honestly, not convincing. Saying, "I don't think I need treatment," while simultaneously asking for it sends mixed signals, and judges notice that immediately. In the legal world, credibility is everything. If your reasoning doesn't hold up under simple questioning, it can seriously hurt your case. Do you think the judge is starting to see through this strategy already?
Days, I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
And there it is. The moment everything shifts. The judge confirms what he suspected all along. The request for treatment wasn't about recovery. It was about avoiding consequences. From a legal standpoint, that changes everything. Judges rely heavily on honesty and accountability, especially in probation cases. Without those, options like leniency or alternative sentencing become far less likely. This is a textbook example of how a single admission can reshape the outcome of an entire hearing.
Get going on life.
Well, ma'am, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I know. If I get probation this time, I told myself, like, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and by summertime I'd be working. I really want to get a car, but aside from the job thing, just I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, man. It's I don't know. It's just, it feels different. It feels really different. I'm
Here's what,
willing for any probation that you can lead me to, but, you know,
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Now we reach the sentencing, and it's firm. The judge adopts the recommendation, probation revoked, jail time imposed, and sentences stacked in a way that leads to a total of 138 days. Notice how the earlier contradictions come back to impact this moment. Her lack of consistency, her admission about treatment, and her probation history all feed into this decision. This isn't just punishment. It's the court responding to repeated noncompliance. Do you think this sentence is fair, or should the judge have given her another chance?
93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on that, on this matter.
what?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
They only involved in insanity.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I asked the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. You know, I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My record is, my court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
Hey, I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in, because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am. We're all done. Thank you. Off the record. Have a good day.